Mubadala to anchor a private credit European real estate fund, and Nokia and Ooredoo Qatar establish a wireless network for the energy sector. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Mubadala Investment will be an anchor investor in a new STARS real estate fund. The STARS Orient Capital Fund will target real estate lending and investment opportunities across Europe for refurbishment and redevelopment. It will also support the acquisition of distressed debt and non-performing loans and acquisition of real estate securities. The amount of Mubadala's investment wasn't revealed. Officials say it's part of plans to increase exposure to alternative investments, including private credit, which is playing a bigger role in European real estate. Nokia and Ooredoo Qatar have established the Middle East and Africa's first private wireless network in the region for the energy sector. The project will provide dedicated voice and customer data services in the most remote and challenging locations. The deployed solution covers an initial capacity of 20,000 subscribers for the offshore grid. Officials say the service marks a new era in connectivity for the oil and gas industry. The World Bank expects GCC economies to achieve 1% growth this year before accelerating to 3.6% in 2024 and 3.7% in 2025. Officials say diversification and the development of non-oil sectors has generated employment opportunities across sectors. They say GCC countries have witnessed a remarkable increase in female labor force participation, noting that Saudi's advancement of women's economic empowerment in just a few years. Saudi's female labor force more than doubled over 6 years, from 17.4% in 2017 to 36% this year. Morocco's CPI eased 0.1% in October, dropping to 4.8% from September's 4.9%, despite a rise in food prices. Morocco's central bank projects inflation will average 6.2% in the current year before declining to 3.8% next year. In September, the central bank announced a decision to maintain interest rates steady at 3%. It says this will prevent an uptick in loan costs and prevent both investors and individuals from rising costs. OpenAI says it's reached an agreement in principle for ousted CEO Sam Altman to return to the company. The arrangement will entail a new initial board, including former Salesforce executive Brett Taylor, former Treasury Secretary Larry Summers, and Chorus CEO Adam D'Angelo. Altman also posted, writing, "I love OpenAI, and everything I've done over the past few days has been in service of keeping this team and its mission together." The move caps a stunning 4 days since Altman was ousted on Friday. And that brings us to today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, which tracks the daily wins and losses of the world's wealthiest people. Our biggest loser today is Indonesian petrochemical billionaire Prajogo Pangestu, down $6.4 billion, now with net worth of $39.9 billion. Our second biggest loser today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault. He's down $2.8 billion, now with $191.8 billion. And our third place loser is Jeff Bezos, down $2.2 billion with net worth of $166.6 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest billionaires news. And staying with billionaires, investor Warren Buffett has disclosed an $866 million donation in the form of Berkshire Hathaway stock to 4 family charities. In a rare letter to shareholders, the 93-year-old reiterated his unwavering commitment to philanthropy, reaffirming that over 99% of his wealth will be bequeathed to charity. He assured shareholders that the company remains in capable hands and will continue to thrive for generations to come. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.